Waking up in the middle of the night to pee isn't just annoying, it can mess up your sleep, drain your energy, and even affect your health in the long run. If you're constantly getting up to use the bathroom at night, you're not alone. It's a common problem, especially as we get older. But here's the good news. With a few small changes in your daily routine, you can start sleeping through the night, no more bathroom runs at 2 a.m. So today on Healthy Queen, we're sharing 7 daily habits that can help you stop nighttime urination naturally and get the deep, healing sleep your body truly needs. Let's get started. Habit: limit fluids before bed. This one seems obvious, but many people don't realize just how much it helps. Try to stop drinking fluids at least 2 hours before bedtime. Even healthy drinks like herbal tea or warm water can fill your bladder and wake you up during the night. And avoid caffeine or alcohol late in the day. Both act as diuretics and can make the problem worse. Habit: eat potassium-rich foods. Potassium helps your body manage fluid balance. Eating potassium-rich foods like bananas, sweet potatoes, spinach, and avocados during the day can help reduce water retention. Less water stored in your body means less pressure on your bladder at night. Habit: elevate your legs in the evening. If your feet or legs swell during the day, that fluid shifts back into your bloodstream when you lie down, and your kidneys send it straight to the bladder. Try elevating your legs for 30 minutes in the evening while watching TV or reading. This helps your body drain excess fluid before bedtime, not during the night. Habit: light walking after dinner. Gentle movement, like a 10 to 15-minute walk after dinner, can really help. It encourages circulation and helps your body move fluid naturally before you sleep. It's also great for digestion and overall health. Habit: strengthen your pelvic floor. Pelvic floor exercises, often called Kegels, can help strengthen the muscles that control your bladder. Doing just a few minutes of these exercises every day can improve bladder control and reduce urgency. And yes, they work for both men and women. Get enough magnesium. Magnesium supports your bladder muscles and helps calm the nervous system. When your magnesium levels are low, your bladder can become more sensitive and overactive at night. Foods like almonds, leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, and dark chocolate are great sources. Or you can talk to a healthcare professional about taking a magnesium supplement. Habit: watch your salt intake. Too much salt in your diet can cause your body to hold on to extra fluid during the day, which then gets processed at night while you sleep. Try cutting back on salty snacks, processed foods, and canned soups. Instead, go for fresh, whole foods and season with herbs instead of salt. Bonus habit: empty your bladder twice before bed. This is a little trick that works surprisingly well. About 30 minutes before bed, go to the bathroom. Then right before you go to sleep, try again, even if you don't feel like you have to. This can help fully empty your bladder and reduce the chances of waking up later. Habit: manage stress and anxiety. Believe it or not, stress can affect your bladder. When you're anxious or tense, your bladder muscles may become more sensitive, leading to more frequent urination, even at night. Try relaxing activities in the evening like deep breathing, journaling, or a warm bath. A calm mind helps your whole body, including your bladder, relax. Final thought from Healthy Queen. Waking up at night to pee may seem like a small issue, but when it happens night after night, it can really wear you down. The good news? You don't need expensive pills or painful treatments. With small, simple changes in your lifestyle, like eating the right foods, moving your body, and managing stress, you can give your bladder the support it needs. Try just one habit at a time. Be gentle with yourself. Your body is smart, and it wants to heal. Better sleep is possible, and you deserve to wake up feeling rested, strong, and ready to enjoy your day. Stay healthy. Stay strong. You're a healthy queen.